In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your one-for-all card to Apple Pay. Once your card has been added, you'll be able to make secure contactless payment in stores, online, and in supported apps directly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. So the first thing that you need to do is unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. If this is your first card, tap the Add Card button or the plus icon in the upper right corner. Next, choose the debit or credit card. Apple will display a brief overview of the cards that you can add to Apple Pay. If you find the one for all, I want you to select it and continue to proceed. Now it's time to add your one for all card. You can either scan the front of your card using your iPhone's camera or enter the card information manually. Make sure all of the information is entered correctly before moving on. Apple may ask to verify your card with the card issuer, so depending on your card, verification may be completed through a one-time verification code sent by SMS or email, maybe sometimes the one-for-all website or app, and customer support if additional verification is required. I want you to follow the on-screen instructions until the verification is complete. After the verification, your one-for-all card will be securely added to Apple Wallet. You will see a confirmation message letting you know that the card is ready to use with Apple Pay. And basically, that's it. Now you can use your one-for-all card anywhere where Apple Pay is accepted. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.